Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I am gonna be doing today. If you like this look, keep watching and we'll achieve this look together. Stay tuned. My base, contour, blush and eyebrows are already done, so I'm starting off with the eyeshadow right away. And I'm using the Revolution Wild Animal Fierce palette. The first shade that I'm using is the last shade in the palette. It's a peachy nude color, and I'm packing that in my crease with a dense flat brush. Next, I'm gonna be using this cool toned matte brown in the crease to darken it furthermore. Next, taking this corally shade and putting it right above the crease, blending it with the crease color and taking it right above the brow bone. Then with a clean brush, blending it further, making sure it's blended seamlessly. Then going back to the same matte brown shade that we used earlier to get some more intensity in the crease. Now finally cutting the crease and making sure that the edges are neat. Using this corally pink shade in the inner and outer corner of the lid. I'm using a highlighter from the Makeup Revolution Soft X highlighter palette in the middle of the lid. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Then using the matte coral and the brown shade on the lower lash line. Using the same pink highlighter from the Makeup Revolution Soft X highlighter palette on the inner corners and brow bone. Highlighting my nose. I'm using this beautiful unicorn purple highlighter on my cheekbones from the Makeup Revolution Soft X highlighting palette. Using a black liner to create a wing. Some mascara and black pencil liner on the lower lash line. And then with a brush, blending it with the eyeshadows. And finally putting on some lashes. And to the part we all enjoy the most, putting on lipstick. So I'm using this brand new Nika Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade 03 Audrey. It's my friend's lipstick and she very generously let me use her brand new lipstick. I'm cleaning the edges of the lipstick with a concealer brush, with whatever concealer is left in the brush. Then overlining the upper lip with the pink lip liner and then reapplying lipstick. And now the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like. And please subscribe to my channel to see you in my next video. Bye.